Record-ology.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. So, we are going to open some mail, and I don't know exactly what these things are. I got 3 boxes. Only one of them I know for sure is viewer mail. The other 2 I'm not 100% sure. So if we end up only showing 2 things, you know why. Maybe something is a review, sample, or something. I have no idea. But I'm excited and extremely grateful. Thank you guys so much for continuing to bless me so very much. As you know, I don't need anything. I am just incredibly blessed as it is. But I very much appreciate your kindness. Also, I apologize for the lighting. It's so weird. It's like an ongoing battle. So in my office, I've got these like 2 frosted globes. I've got kind of this hallway down here in this main room. And it's like some days it looks so orange. Like the color balance is weird. So I'm using my computer monitor I have paint open as a white panel, like a light source. So I think it's color balancing on probably 5600 Kelvin color temperature and making this indoor incandescent light look extra warm. So I apologize for that, but I thought it would help us to see stuff. Also, instead of doing this on the granite, I thought we'd just kind of, do it a different way. So we're just going to have fun and roll with it here. I have the ring light, but it's some days it's better not to have it, I feel like. So, all right, we're going to start small and then go big. So this looks like a box of checks is what I thought. And I was just telling my wife the other day, I'm like, it is weird. Normally I don't open boxes, yes, like this, but just so you can see what's going on. I was telling my wife the other day, I was like, isn't it weird? We haven't bought checks in forever. I've got, in my nightstand on the side of the bed, for some reason I have the last time we bought checks. I think they were from Walmart or something. And it's a lifetime supply. We hardly ever write checks. You pay bills in portals and stuff now. You never write checks. So we have like 2 or 3 big books full, and we'll probably never buy checks again. Ironically, this looks just like I ordered a box of checks. So maybe it is. I don't know. It's kind of heavy. I feel something rattling around. This is a product that I was expecting, and we are going to review it on a different show. But that's what the box looks like anyway. So that's not viewer mail, but interesting anyway. Makes me wonder about this. So this one says LAX gate A47. So I don't know if that means that it was an international shipment. Sometimes international shipments will come in large parcels to a domestic airport and then be, kind of divided out into smaller parcels and sent through the U.S. mail. So I don't know about this either. Could be a product sample, could be viewer mail, could be a gift. This is a crumpled box with no information on it whatsoever. I'm going to open it off camera just in case it's... Oh, this is another... I don't remember agreeing to review this. I get hit up all the time with companies that'll, sometimes... So this is another review, so I apologize. This last one, I know. This one for sure is viewer mail, okay? This is viewer mail for sure. Sometimes I get these emails. A lot of them are software companies or people wanting to be my manager. I do have a channel manager over at YouTube that doesn't do a whole lot, honestly, for the channel, but they're there as a resource. But these companies offering to do, buy advertising, to do all every night. I get stuff overnight every night, and then I wake up to it every morning. And sometimes they're like, you want to review my massager? And it's like, that would be weird, and no, I don't think so. It's just not what our channel's about. Do you want to review this artistic software? And it's like, no, that's not what we do. It's like, they're always like, hi, I would love your channel. I'm your biggest fan, and I would like to send you XYZ. I've been offered pots and pans and just weird kitchen utensils and stuff. Sometimes, because a lot of times we work with, distribution agencies and not the actual company. So they will represent a number of brands. So sometimes I'm going to scoot this down a little bit. I've had some where they've, we've worked with them to review a record player, and they're like, hey, it was wonderful doing that record player review. Now we'd like you to review this wonderful bamboo cutting board. And it's like, I don't just review everything, Okay, sorry about the false starts there. Let's get on to it. This is a promising shape and size. This is from a friend of the channel who always sends me stuff, and it's always fun. And I am very thankful as always. I sound like a broken record, no pun intended there, but this will be fun. So thank you so very much, my friend. I don't want to disclose the name of the individual unless they want that to happen. So unless there's a note saying to do that specifically, they just want to keep it anonymous, that's fine by me. Okay, so this is from, he says it's okay for me to say this part, Avatar610, username's Avatar610, and he says, prepare to be amazed. What? Okay, oh gosh. Okay, I'm excited. What do we have here? First up, Glenn Miller Legend? What? Cool! I never knew this existed. What is this? This is awesome. This is cool. Mole Jazz. This is awesome. Thank you, my friend. Oh, I cannot wait to check that out. That is awesome. Look at this. Control guide for settings. Have you guys ever seen that? That is really interesting. Okay. No. You didn't? No! Oh my gosh, this has been on my wish list forever. Okay, guys, this is, I am amazed, you're right. This is Legendary Performer Volume 1. I've got Volume 2, which is way more common and less desirable. This is often the record that gets people started on their Glenn Miller journey. This is a legendary album. I'm going to put this down here just so I can show you, because inside here it comes with a book, and it's got not just studio recordings and stuff, but it also has live performances, and this is an amazing album. If you are thinking about dipping your toe, this is a 2-record set, by the way. If you're thinking about dipping your toe in the Glenn Miller world, this is the record I wish I would have started with. This is phenomenal. Some of the best high energy live recordings are on this record. I cannot believe this. Thank you so very much, my friend. No, stop. Just stop. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is part of the complete set. Which volume is this? This is volume 4. Oh my gosh, my friend. Thank you so much. Gatefold. And what's cool about this is it features my favorite label. This awesome Bluebird label. Look at that. Love it. And on the back, they have like a blown up version. I can't believe this, dude. This has also been on my wish list, so thank you very, very much. I've been trying to piece this together. I have a few, but not all of them. So this is much needed and appreciated. Thank you so much. I can't believe you guys. It's just too much. What is this? No. What is this? I just saw this somewhere, and I was like, what? I don't even know exactly what this is. 20th Century Fox. Is this from the movie? I think this is the soundtrack. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is great. Thank you. Wow, this is so unexpected. Wow. Dude, this is amazing. Thank you so very, very much. I cannot wait to listen to all of this stuff. This is crazy. And there's more records, you guys. There's more. Oh my goodness. Prepare to be amazed. I knew it was going to be good. You guys are crazy. How many more do we have? One more record. Another Glenn Miller. Yes! Oh, cool. This is another one. I don't even think I've seen this one. Oh, this is great. RCA Victor LPM 2080. Never before released on LP. Compilation album. Let's see what kind of label this one has. I love the original sleeves. Very cool. And what do we have? Probably an RCA black label. Yeah. Yes. The best of the best, RCA Victor. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so very, very much. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. I'm extremely thankful. So thank you, and apologize to you guys that the other items weren't something we could look at. We will look at them. It's just not quite ready for prime time yet. Still got to make those shows. Anyway, that's going to do it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.